This is fiordilatte, pure, simple, and one of the most important gelato flavors to master. In this video, I'm using an adapted recipe from my book, The Art of Making Gelato, originally written for home use, and showing you how well it performs in a commercial gelato machine. It's creamy, balanced, and production ready, just as it is. If you've seen my video on YouTube, 3 Expert Tricks for the Ultimate Fiordilatte, this is that exact recipe. Same ingredients, same method of prepping the ingredients and heating the base, just scaled up for commercial production. This is a great example of how the same recipes I'm using at home hold up in a gelato machine. Here's a quick look at the process. For a side-by-side comparison, check out the fiordilatte video I mentioned. The full recipe is linked in that video's description. Same recipe, different scale, and it holds up beautifully. Whether you're working from home or running a shop, this fiordilatte delivers a clean, delicious flavor and smooth texture every time. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Have a flavor request? Drop a comment or email tips@morganmorano.com. Check out our channel for more videos on making gelato, sorbet, and other Italian-style treats, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and recipes. Looking for more? Visit our blog and gelato FAQ section at fortheloveofgelato.com for full recipes and answers to all of your gelato questions, or explore the world of gelato with industry resources and guides at thegelatoexpert.com. Thanks for watching.
Ooh, gelato!